Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to drop ship in Lazada Philippines 2025. So for this video, we are going to use our Shopify store and then we are going to use a tool or application so we can drop ship from Lazada Philippines to our Shopify store. Okay, so we are going to use the Importify. I know you are familiar with this one. So to start with, let's go to our Shopify account, log into our store, and click on the Add Apps option. Okay, that's right. And then go here, click on the Shopify App Store. Then the next thing that you should do here is you have to look for the Importify application, and then if you cannot find it in this section, you just have to use the search bar to tap and then type out Importify. So you just have to click on this application, and the next one is you have to install it in your store. So just click on the install option. Okay, and then after installing the Importify, subscribing to the basic plan, you'll be able to see here now your account. Okay, so now let's start drop shipping product from Lazada to our Shopify store. So let's go to Lazada. Just type out Lazada and you'd be able to see this website. So just click on this one. So in drop shipping products, so you can sign up for an account or sign in, or even just here, you can just directly drop ship the product. Okay, and then take note as well, in order for us to use the Importify, we have to install the Importify extension to the browser that we are using. Okay, so let's try to look for a product that we can drop ship to our Shopify store. So for example, this item. So here, as you can see at the top left, you can see this add button, the small one. Okay, so we were able to have this because we have installed the Importify extension. Okay, so to install this one, you just have to open a new tab. That's right, and then you just have to search for Importify extension. Okay, and then you'd be able to see this website, this one, the product importers. You just have to click on this website, and then you just have to click on the add to browser or add to the browser that you are using. And after that, go here to your extension, and then you just have to pin the Importify so you can use it later on. So after installing the Importify to your browser, you can now click on the add option. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see this page. Okay, so this is the product section. So just have to check the product section, the descriptions, the variants, and the images. So if you can find here the weight of the product, so you just have to check that again on Lazada, and then just have to input here the details. Okay, because not everything can be imported, so sometimes you have to manually input some of the details from the product on Lazada. And then after that, you just have to add it on your store. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see this section at the top right of your screen. So you can now edit or customize it or view the product that you have imported from Lazada to your Shopify store. Now let's go to the import list and you'll be able to see here the product that we have imported. So if we are going to view this product, we'd be able to see the full details of this product. So if you would like to customize this product, you just have to click on the pencil icon and you'll be redirected to your Shopify product section. Okay, so just click on this pencil icon. So you can customize or edit it on your store. So as you can see right here, we have the product title, the description of the product, the different variants of the product, and other details. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye!